Hello, welcome to my workshop. Right, firstly, Merry Christmas everyone. Wanted to thank you all for 214,100 odd views, 749,800 minutes of watch time, 12,800 hours, 3,300 odd likes and 749 new subscribers. Thank you very much everyone. It's kind of what encourages people to make more videos. Then the other thing I was going to say was have a happy and blessed new year. Top tip, count your blessings, not your troubles. Everyone's got troubles, everyone's got blessings. Spend more time counting your blessings and have a happy new year.